Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn a recipe of popcorn. Yes, sweet and salty curried popcorn recipe. So a amazing recipe, a favorite recipe to kids. Really amazing. Just because you choose to live simply and healthy doesn't mean that you need to give up any of the basic pleasure of life, right? Like popcorn. Back in the dark ages, before the microwave, even before Jiffy Pop, people made and enjoyed this light, fluffy and tasty treat. And making popcorn from scratch, however, can be tricky. And not only do you want as many kernels as possible to pop, but you also want to keep the kernels from burning at the bottom of the pot. So read after the gem to learn how to make perfectly popped popcorn right on your own stove, and you will find very easy to prepare, and kids really love to have them. Little spicy but very interesting recipe today I'm sharing with, and there are so many versions of popcorn, so many flavors, and so today we are going to prepare a little spicy and very interesting and curry powder spiced up and sweetie popcorn. So now we'll see the ingredients to prepare this popcorn. We need 2 tablespoons olive oil and a 3/4 cup popcorn kernels and 1/4 cup unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons curry powder and 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon turbinado or demerara sugar plus more to taste. This is available in markets. So replacement to normal sugar, we use this type of replacement of sugars in snacks like this, and now we'll see how to prepare this sweet and spicy popcorn. And heat the olive oil or in a 4/4 or larger pan over medium heat. Add several kernels of popcorn, and these are available in markets, and you can find them in almost all shops and markets. So when you find this popcorns start to pop, add the rest of kernels of popcorn and shake the pan lightly to distribute them. And now cover the pan with a lid, but crack it slightly to let the steam escape, and it starts popping in 2 minutes. The sound will be coming, a popping sound, popping of popcorn sound. Really interesting. And the tick tock, and the kids will be really enjoying when they see popping this popcorn inside. When you keep lid, and when you keep see-through lid like this, you can find how the popcorns will be popping out, and really amazing, tasty and interesting recipe. And meanwhile, now we warm the butter in a small saucepan and over medium low heat. Now add the curry powder and the salt and stir to combine, and keep warm while the popcorn pops. Now coming to the popcorn. Hey, yes, it's done popping our popcorns. Wonderful, right? So much, and very much popped up. Now you can see we need lots of popcorns because kids really love them, so prepare generously so that they'll enjoy generously, right? Now Pour into a large bowl and shake to make the unpopped kernels settle to the bottom. Now stir the sugar into the warm butter and pour immediately over the popcorns. So here we adding curried masala, spiced up butter. Now stir thoroughly. So that the popcorns will be spiced up and sweetened and spiced up. Very interesting taste, and wow, they are ready now, and serve them and enjoy. So very easy to prepare popcorn at home, right? Actually there are so many flavors of preparation of these popcorns, and the basic is same, and spicing up is different in different recipe, and kids really love to have these popcorns in variations of different flavors. So today we learned one, and I will be giving some other variations of spicing up the popcorn in my next videos, and sweet popcorns are also we can make, right? And so these type of popcorns are really interesting when they are watching TV and enjoying some movies. So why to take popcorns always from outside? So just prepare at home and enjoy with your family. So it's for today. I hope you like my video. Keep watching my videos, and like and subscribe.